So it's spring break, vacation, or Easter, whatever you may call it, but for whatever reason, you can take your children to have a cool time by the river, lake, or beach. This is the perfect solution for you. You can have this inflatable children's pool comfortably from your home and or apartment. I'm quite impressed by the quality of this pool. Well made and very sturdy. If you get one of these, you won't regret it. Hello YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and today we're gonna see the unboxing / express review and first impressions of the 3-ring inflatable pool made by INTEX. Checking out the content of this, we only have about 50 small balls and the pool itself. It's designed for children from 1 to 3 years old. The pool is round in shape and measures roughly about 86 by 86 by 25 centimeter with a capacity of 63 liters, allowing your child to have a great time in the comfort of your patio, or even if the weather is not very hot, you can use it inside your house without any problem. It's made of resistant vinyl. It has 3 transparent rings of different colors: pink, yellow, and blue. Using it is quite easy. You just have to fill each of the rings individually. I'm gonna pump air into this baby swimming pool. And the first thing is this: get a nozzle for swimming pools like this one. Attach it. If you locate this, you'll see that it enters directly. You long press to turn up your air bank. Now we choose what unit we want. What's next now? You press play again, this button, the on button again. Finally, it is ideal to use in the summer with your child. Given its size, it's ideal for use indoors when the weather is not very favorable. And mostly, it's great as a gift for baby showers, birthdays, Christmas bonuses, etc. I hope this video has been helpful to you and has given you enough information about the 3 rings inflatable pool. I appreciate your time here. Please let us know what you think of the product in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we upload new videos.